Now, if you want your skin to be like this, you can scroll and pass. But if you know that you use all these cutters, you use all these two creams on your face, and you want your skin to be better, stay and listen to my video. Yes, the earlier, the better. In this video, you're going to be learning the dangers of using steroids on your skin. Yes, I mean all those tube creams you buy. Oh, it's working. It dey work. It saves my money. It's 1,000. It's 1,005. You guys are going to be learning the dangers of using corticosteroids on your cream because they all contain what we call corticosteroids. You're going to be learning the dangers of you using them. So sit tight, subscribe to my page. Yes, thank you. You see people where they still use visitor plus for your face, Skinel and Fombate. Not people where I fair pass, people where they still use visitor plus. Because you see, people that are using visitor plus, they don't want to stop. You can see some people they left Skinel, they left Fombate, but you see that visitor plus, they die there. And Pali Godi. See those two people? Pali Godi skincare users and visitor plus skincare users, they are very dangerous. Those ones, even if you tell them this is the way, walk into it, they would do what is on their mind. How many times do we have to tell you that these creams contains corticosteroids and they are bad? They are bad for your skin. Now, let me highlight to you what you stand to suffer from if you continue to use all these tube creams on your skin. Yes, lecture 101, Nurse Beauty. I'm going to be telling you the dangers of using creams like Visitor Plus, Skinel, Fombate. I'm sure that you've seen a lot of people just tell you it's not good, and you don't really know why they're telling you it's not good or what does it actually contain that they're saying is not good. But it's working on my skin, my dear. Yes, it seems to work. But by the time you use them for more than 2 months, 2 months is far, but I'm just saying the maximum of 2 months because normally if masses will instruct you to use it for 8 to 21 days, at most 1 month, and then you should not use them again, except occasionally when it comes back. But some people they misuse it because it's working so well for them. They continue to use it, and then it's very cheap. They take their 1.2, they take their 1.5. So then they take their 800 naira. I'm going to buy a cheap cream. Let me just buy this cheap cream instead of buying expensive skincare. My dear, by the time you will be done with this video, you would learn the dangers that await you if you choose to continue using corticosteroids on your skin. Shall we? Hi guys, so this is Mouse Beauty. Thank you. So please follow my page and like and subscribe. So first thing you must note is that studies have shown that continuous or prolonged use of corticosteroid can lead to what we call withdrawal side effects, which means by the time you continue to use it, maybe when it finishes, your skin becomes way worse. Your skin is not probably depending on that to function. It's just like cocaine. Whenever you don't take cocaine, all your body is hyper. That's how it's going to be on your skin. So by the time you choose to withdraw from those creams, please note that your skin is going to break down, it's going to get worse, but you need to fight through. By the time you fight through to the end, that is when you'll be able to achieve a more healthier and brighter skin. This lady picture came across my FYP page on my Facebook. I wondered what kind of chemicals have this lady used on her skin for her skin to become like her skin cannot be repaired. Her skin has gone beyond repair. If anything wants to be done on this face, it's plastic surgery. I'm sorry. Because even if you want to start using hydrating properties, she has to wait for years and years and go for a lot of dermatologist activities. She has to go to an esthetician. She has to undergo a lot of skin care processes before our skin becomes even manageable for us to see and be like, okay, it's okay. Because that skin I'm seeing there has been thinned out, has been stressed out, has been damaged, not only by the sun, but by the chemicals the lady subjected her face to. Now, before we move ahead from this withdrawal skin effect, you must notice when you finally decided to stop or the tube cream, stop the steroids, it is best for you to gradually come out of it. Don't just stop like that. Any tube cream you're using, whether it's hydroquinone tube, tretinoin tube, azelaic tube, corticosteroid, anything you are on, and you come out of it like that, in a very abrupt manner, it's going to affect you. So if you are using it every day, you start reducing it to 3 times a week. Yeah, you go to 2 times a week. Yeah, you go to once a week. You see how your skin is doing. That's how you're going to reduce it. Like over 3 months, over 4 months, you reduce the frequency, reduce the strength, reduce the quantity you put on your skin. Before you know it, your skin will be able to live without it. But if you just take it off your life, take it off your skin, my dear, be willing to go through the hard phase. It will come like it will hit you like a very big ball. Now, the second reason it can lead to skin thinning. So skin thinning is when your skin becomes so thin because of the chemicals you're applying on your skin, and then it becomes easier for the UV rays to penetrate your skin. There's no how you can avoid UV rays. Even in your house, you can be affected by UV rays. And those UV rays are what actually causes skin cancer and causes you to age faster, causes your collagen to break down faster, which will also make you look older than your age very easily. Yes, that is another reason. Another thing that can happen to your skin is that corticosteroid can cause stretch mark, can cause skin infection, can cause stretch mark, it can cause skin infection. So what this actually does is that it actually helps to weaken the skin. It helps to weaken that particular side of your skin. So normally these creams are used for bacterial infection, fungal infection. I use them too. I use them to treat some fungal infection, fungal. I use them to treat fungal rashes on my skin, but I use them for a particular amount of time. I don't use them for too long. You can go on and off on it, especially if that fungal acne keeps on reoccurring. Make sure you see your pharmacist, see your dermatologist for proper dosage of how to use these creams. And make sure that you're not using them for a very long period of time, and make sure you're using a very good moisturizer. So what that moisturizer is going to do for your skin is going to help to replenish your skin, to moisturize your skin, to keep your skin healthy, despite any chemicals that are slathering on that skin. So it can also cause some allergic reaction. It can also make your dermatitis, atopic dermatitis worsen. It can also cause redness, itchiness when you are high on corticosteroids. Then high corticosteroids can actually also cause you to have headache, dizziness, because it's already very, very high. And you know, whatever we apply on this our skin goes straight. It's been absorbed. If you don't know now, it's been absorbed. So that is it. If you like this video, if you learned one or two from the video, please like, please subscribe. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Bye.